Hello and welcome to today's episode of the
Raymond Racing Garage.
I don't know what the show is called yet. We're working on the name yet. But anyhow, today we're trying to figure out a way to make this 84 Camaro a little bit faster. Previously, we've installed a Mitsubishi TD07 Turbocharger. This unit originally came off of a
Mitsubishi
Fuso
transport truck.
diesel truck, which is approximately, I think it's around a 6 or a 7 liter diesel. And we've had very limited success with this turbo on. If you take a look at it's a relatively small turbo for what we're doing here, and we run into a lot of trouble with choking. It's more of a Jake brake than a turbo right now. So it's time to go out with the old and in with the new. We're going to replace this TD07 unit with a Garrett GT37. Now this here is a 65 millimeter turbine turbo, no wastegate, whereas here we had a internal wastegate, and this is actually a custom actuator that was built for it. On this turbo, there's no internal wastegate, so we've installed a tile wastegate on the crossover tube in the Camaro. And comparing these two turbos, for one, the turbine wheel is bigger. For two, the turbine housing is much larger. So we're hoping to be able to breathe a lot better with the Garrett GT37. But only time will tell it now. We'll see how it runs when we put it in there, but I suppose we could get the efficiency maps for this turbo here and run a little math. But I can tell you it's going to be a lot better than this Jake brake.